We've all heard it on the airwaves. A net control station opens up a local repeater for check-ins, and suddenly the frequency turns into chaos, doubling, muffled calls, or operators giving their full life story. When net control just asked for call signs, checking into a net sounds simple, but doing it cleanly, efficiently, and professionally is a true mark of amateur radio mastery. Whether it's a casual evening ragchew net or a high-stakes emergency Aries net, here is how you check in like an absolute pro. Step 1. Timing is everything. Before pressing that PTT button, listen first. Listen to how net control is running the net. Are they asking for mobile stations first? Short time check-ins? Alphanumeric order by call sign suffix? If you jump in with your call sign when net control specifically asked for mobile stations only, you're breaking the net's flow. Wait for your group or for general check-ins to be called. Step 2. Keep it structured. When it's your turn, your initial check-in should be short, sharp, and standardized. The formula is simple. Unkey, check frequency, key up, state your call sign, using ITU phonetics, and state your status. Example, this is Kilo Alpha 2 Delta Echo Foxtrot KA2DEF, no traffic in Rochester. Notice 3 key things here. ITU phonetics. Use standard NATO/ITU phonetics, not made-up words. State traffic, clearly say whether you have traffic or no traffic. Say your location or name, only if the net protocol asks for it. Step 3. Avoid the classic mistakes. Don't key up instantly after someone else finishes. Give the repeater controller a second to reset. This prevents doubling and lets net control acknowledge stations smoothly. Don't hold the net hostage unless it's an informal ragchew net. Keep your comments brief when net control calls back to you. Respect everyone else waiting on the log. Don't guess phonetics. If signal conditions are poor, speak slowly and deliberately. If signal conditions are poor, speak slowly and deliberately rather than shouting. Here is a quick reference guide to remember for your next net. Listen first to identify net rules and call categories before transmitting. Use standard ITU phonetics like Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Keep it brief. Call sign, traffic status, and location in under 5 seconds. And pause for 1 to 2 seconds before keying to allow emergency breaks. Mastering net check-ins is about crisp communication, clear signal management, and making net control's job easy. What's your favorite net to check into? Drop your call sign and your local net in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more ham radio tips, and 73.